The R2 Twin-Plot Multi-Crop Combine is a revolutionary game changer in the seed research industry. The R2 operates at faster harvest speeds while producing less seed damage, cleaner samples, easier cleanout, and lower seed loss than competitive models. Ideal for corn, soybeans, wheat, cereal, sorghum, canola, and more. This is the industry's only true multi-crop platform. Changing your harvest crop is made easy with an exclusive auto header recognition platform and can take a single person less than 2 minutes. Simply swap out single sieves and adjust concaves, and you're ready for the next crop. Our patent-pending, self-cleaning, top-fed rotor design enables earlier harvest of large green plants, tough stems, and high plant foliage. The greatly increased harvest window allows you to start harvesting plots earlier and finish faster. With 2 separate multi-speed independent rotor chambers, there is no side-by-side crossover, and plot-to-plot carryover is virtually undetectable. The industry-leading ALMACO airlock system uses a pressurized displacement blower system for less seed damage. The R2 is a powerhouse. It's the largest research combine in the industry and is designed to keep you running stronger, longer. The final Tier 4 275 horsepower Cummins engine and 4-wheel drive advanced Torque King keep you running with maximum efficiency, and our cab is designed with your comfort in mind with reduced noise, and heated and cooled operator seats help mitigate operator fatigue. With the flip of a switch from the comfort of your cab, grain tank extenders are available to help you reach a 300-bushel maximum grain tank capacity for increased runtime. For your safety, the R2 cannot enter into road mode until the grain tank extenders are lowered for transport. Flip the switch to lower the extenders and you are free to go. With a 13-foot auger discharge height, you can unload your seed at a fast 2.9 bushels per second when you're ready. Maintenance and service are a breeze with the detachable grain tank corner extender, which allows you to safely and easily enter the grain bin while power is disconnected. The R2 has an extensive diagnostic and sensory system, which includes operating system alerts, diagnostic alerts, and other operational settings. ALMACO is a committed partner in your success. Maintenance and cleaning are simple with only 4 belts and 0 chain drives to manage on the base of the combine. A reversible and hydraulically driven fan that can be adjusted from the cab, and an automated rear platform ladder and large rear service platform around the power unit. The R2 has an intuitive design, but if you do need support with routine maintenance, ordering parts, or if anything might need attention, our unparalleled premium customer service professionals are always on call to support you in and out of the field. Pair your R2 with additional options like our APX automated packager, subject sampling cab system, grinder, telematics, and Harvest Max continuous harvesting system for a one-stop solution for your harvesting needs. Learn more at almaco.com